Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn to create a new scratch game called Catching Apple Game, where we can catch the apple and increase our score. So let's go into it. Firstly, we will open our scratch and we will create a new project and name it as Catching Apple Game. So let's do it. Let's name it as Catching Apple Game. Okay, so we will delete our sprite and choose our sprite as ball. After it, we will also choose our another sprite named apple. So sprites, ball and apples are here. So let's code for it. So firstly, for our ball sprite, we will click here when green flag clicked. After clicking the green flag, it will go to next to our background and blue sky, and let's make size to 75. Okay, so let's keep it here. So when green flag click, our ball will go to x minus 30 and y 0. So wait, y minus 145 and x 0. So here our ball is going to be in middles, and let's add here a forever loop. So in the forever loop we'll add some if loop. After it, when our mouse is pressed to left, when our left arrow is pressed, our ball will go to left. So when left arrow is pressed, change x by minus 7, and when our right arrow is pressed, our x will be changed by plus 7. Okay, so our arrow keys are now working. So let's go over here for apple. So our apple size will be 50. Let's make it 70 or 65. And here when our green flag is clicked, our apple will go to y minus 180. So let's go here, set y to minus 180. Okay, so our apple is plus 180. So our apple is going to top. Okay, so we will now choose here our forever loop. And then this apple is gliding from up to down. So this is gliding from down. So we will choose here glide change x by minus 5. So our apple is now gliding properly. And then when this touches to ground, this apple will touch to ground. So we will choose here sensing and touches to. Let's choose here our if operator. When our apple is touches to ground, so ground is here minus 185. So we will choose this, and in the sensing we will put here minus 179. So it will be the ground and our y position. So when our y is minus 179, it will again go to up. So it will go to a random position, and then our y will be set it to 180, and then it is working now. So let's add our ball touching moment. So now let's add when our ball touches the apple, it will again go. So and let's again here if block, if it touches to our So touching to bar and it again goes to square proceed and control V goes to this. So look how it is working. And then let's add our score. Let's make a new variable named score, and firstly we'll set our score to 0. Then when it touches to the ball, our score will be increased by 1. So look, now it's working. Let's tell our score, and then when you correct apple, it's working. So for more fun, we can add also here banana. For adding banana, we can choose banana, and then we can go to loops, and we can go to next costume and next costume. So it will give more fun with banana, and then apple comes. And if you collect our banana comes. We can also give more costumes like orange, and watermelon, and also add here one more costume named orange. So you can see it comes to apple, then a banana, then watermelon, then orange. And for more fun, we can also add sounds like we can add here sound of song. We can add about the sound, and then also play the sound. So look here, it gives the sound like hitting. And we can also do here is see the ball, and when we right click, our the sound of we can select a tune. We can select this guitar and go to here, and we will add our sound of guitar. The sound of let's bring its volume a little bit down. So everything is working, and then we can give some more sound. So let's go. Here it's working now. You can see. Finally friends, we have completed making our scratch game called Catching Apple. Hope you friends you liked the video, enjoy it and learn something new. Thank you for watching.